What you see is an initial list of files. We will try Backup Computational Thinking course. As you can see, Computational Thinking is a course full of resources. And of course, Course Sophia is there. So we have what we need. Now we will add an empty course. This simulates an empty course which the user gets at the beginning of the semester. This is the empty course I just created. Now, we will back up computational thinking. When finished, we will download our backup file. Now, going back to empty at the beginning course. As you can see, it is empty and not Course Sophia is there. Now, let us restore the computational thinking course into this course. At the end, we need to see all the content of the original course in this course. And voila, we have the computational thinking course in this course.